my tour in different cities teaching Kompa. This is something I'm doing out of love to help people, to help my community. I spend money to go there, and I don't even make more money. And sometimes I make less money. It's fine. But if I go to a city, I don't find at least 50 people, trust me, I'm not going to go back there in that city, because I'm going to start doing international tours soon. Now, your job is to help me promote that event, to let people in your city know that I'm coming, because it costs me money to go there in your city. You know what I'm saying? So just share the flyer with your friends in your city when you saw it. Say, hey, this man is coming in our city.